Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another wash day video using some new products that I just got in the mail today. The Curls Popping Pineapple Collection. So in that collection, I purchased the, I purchased the Curl Wash, the Curl Mask. I also purchased the leave-in conditioner in the Curl Defining Jelly. So if you guys want to see me use these products, see my thoughts on these products, then just stay tuned.
Okay guys, so here I am washing my hair, getting it nice and saturated using warm water and making sure I get all of my hair wet before I apply the shampoo, breaking up all the dirt, oil, product buildup, all that good jazz. So you'll see me use the shampoo in a second, but the first thing I wanted to mention with the shampoo is the shampoo is a very watery consistency. It does slip and slide. It's not very thick of a shampoo. It's very watery. So I ended up using a good amount of shampoo. And as you'll see, I go in a few times to add more shampoo to my hair. I typically coat the back of my head, then I coat the front of my head, and then I work it in the middle. I separate my hair down the middle and I work my shampoo in the middle. On the very first shampoo, I was not getting a good lather all over, and sometimes that's typical with some shampoos, so I wasn't super worried about it. But I knew that meant that I had to go in and do another shampoo. So I'm rinsing out that shampoo, making sure I get most of the dirt and product buildup out, and then I'm going to go back in with a second one, coating the back of my hair, getting some more shampoo, and I'm getting about 2 quarter size amounts of shampoo, making sure I get all the way down to my ends, getting my scalp, scrubbing, rubbing, making sure I get it. I'm using some more shampoo. I had to use a lot of shampoo, more shampoo than I normally use when I wash my hair, because it was so watery. If I knew it was that watery, I probably would have put it inside of a applicator bottle. But what I ended up doing was I ended up adding water to my hair, which kind of took the suds and moved them about, which gave me a better lather. So I was able to clean my scalp efficiently without using pretty much the entire bottle of shampoo. Got my roots, definitely got my ends, got up all that product buildup, massaged my scalp, and then rinsed it out.
Okay, so I'm back. Hair has been rinsed. I'm about to apply the leave-in conditioner. It has the same pineapple smell as the rest of it. It seems to have a looser consistency. I hope it does. It seems to be very lightweight. And separate. Smooth that section. Separate. Make sure it's all in here. And then top section. And I'm looking in my mirror, if you're wondering. Oh, my phone is switched. I'm looking in my mirror, if you're wondering. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply the leave-in on my entire head while my hair is still dripping, soaking wet. That way, like I said earlier, my hair dries super quick. So it'll go from dripping to dry. I just don't know Jesus. So what I'm gonna do is my hair is already drying up. So I'm just gonna spray this section with some H2O. And I'm going to work in medium sections, medium to small sections, making sure my hair is thoroughly saturated and wet with water. Get my towel because I'm gonna need it. All right,
So while we're doing that, it's got a very loose, runny consistency, not very thick like a typical gel. But it feels, it felt thick when I just rubbed it in. Okay, let me just apply it, and we're gonna see. Okay. Most definitely might be doing something. Okay. Might do something. I don't think it's gonna hold very long. I don't think this definition is gonna last. I will say that. But it is defining. Okay guys, so I basically want to go ahead and give you my thoughts and overview of the products that I have used so far. So the shampoo, I found the shampoo to be very moisturizing. I found this shampoo to clump my curls together after rinsing it all out and applying my deep conditioner. My hair was not super tangly. It was very well moisturized. I will say the shampoo is very watery. So if you do have a lot of hair and you want to make sure that you get all of your strands clean, I would suggest putting in an applicator bottle. The curl mask, I did like the curl mask. It wasn't super thick, super heavy to where it just sat on my hair, but it definitely did glide. If it does get a little bit stiff, I recommend spraying your hair down with water or spraying water into the hair mask, and it definitely helps it glide on your hair better. I sat up in the dryer for 10 to 12 minutes, enjoyed it, and my hair felt moisturized after I rinsed it out as well. The leave-in conditioner, loved it. Great slip, helped me detangle. I would suggest also applying that on soaking wet hair. But the curling jelly, out of all the products, shocked me the most because I did not expect it to define my kinky type 4 hair the way that it did, and it absolutely held up to its name as a curl defining jelly. Now, I don't think it's gonna hold, so I am topping it with another gel on top to ensure that I have a little bit of longevity with this wash and go. Okay guys, so my hair is done being styled. I have all the products in, I have my gel in, and I'm about to go let it dry, but I want to show you guys what it's looking like fully styled with the products in. So this is what
your girl's hair is looking like. Show you the back. And I will say, while it's wet now, I'm thoroughly, like, I'm shook. I'm shook. I'm shocked. I'm shook. I'm shooketh. I'm shocked. Like, I'm astounded. Any words for shocked and, like, I'm befuddled. That's my favorite word. I'm just, like, whew. I mean, I just didn't think a jelly would define my hair the way that this jelly is defining my hair. I'm shocked. I like the jelly. Now, I will say, you know, full disclosure, I did use this on top of the jelly in some sections because some of my hair is just frizzier than other parts of my hair. And I do have to go out with this hair, so I do need this hair to somewhat last a little bit longer because the jelly, I don't think is going to give me hold. It's giving me definition. I mean, it's not sticky or anything, but I don't think it's going to give me the hold that I need. And this doesn't give like crazy hold either. It's just gonna give me enough hold to last me until I wash my hair again in like 4 days, which I probably will have to anyway because it's gonna be frizzy. But yeah, I mean, even like my frizzies up front, like, let me see if I can show you guys. Even like, what am I doing? What am I doing, Jesus? Even my frizzies up front. Like, this is typically, it's kind of frizzy, but this is typically a lot frizzier than this and less defined. Like, especially over here. Like, this is typically, I don't want to touch it too much. It's super, like, frizzy, not very defined. It's kind of frizzy underneath. Oop. Get that clump out of there. But, I mean, so far, so good. It's looking good. I like it. I mean, like I said, I'm shook. I'm shocked. I'm shooketh. I'm astounded by the definition that I'm getting. Now, one thing I need to go ahead and say before I forget is curls. Listen, curls. Don't y'all put another jelly, another gel, another defining thing in a squeeze bottle. My hand hurts from squeezing this out because it's of a thicker consistency. Put it in a jar next time. A jar. Y'all can find an 8-ounce jar. Put this in a jar. Squeezing this while doing a wash day? Unacceptable. Unacceptable. My hand hurts. My wrist hurts. My elbow hurts from squeezing this, and it doesn't come out so easily once you get down. So I've used that much, so when it's at the top, it squeezes out easily because it's right there, but once you get up here, like it's down lower, it's so much harder to squeeze out. So don't y'all ever do this again. Listen and learn. Don't you ever do this again. Put it in a jar next time. That's all. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below if you have a comment, if you have a suggestion for anything that I did that you thought maybe I could improve on. Anything of the sort, just drop it down below. I love interaction. Subscribe, click the notification bell, thumbs up this video, share it, do all that cool jazz, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.